In this video, we'll explore two fun programs that control a lamp in different ways. Let's start with our first program, Nonlinear Dimming. In this project, we use a potentiometer slider to control a lamp in a special way. Here's what you'll see. As you move the potentiometer slider upward, the light becomes brighter at first, then gradually gets dimmer. That's a little surprising, isn't it? It's different from what we usually expect. And that's what makes this program fun to learn. Now, look at the colored circles on the screen. They show important values in the program. Try changing these values and moving the slider to see how the light changes. Next, let's move on to another program called Overload Alarm. In this project, we also use a potentiometer slider to control the lamp's brightness. When the slider moves upward, the light becomes brighter. Look at the colored circle on the screen. The number there sets the alarm limit. Try changing this number and moving the slider to see when the warning starts. In these two projects, you'll learn how numbers can make the light brighter or dimmer and show a warning when it's too high.